Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to log into Trust Wallet using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. In order to log into a Trust Wallet account on your iPhone, first, make sure that you've downloaded the application. Of course, open your App Store and get it downloaded. If you don't have it yet, go to your Play Store and get the app downloaded first, and once you have it, tap it open. The very first interface of Trust Wallet will look like this. You can go ahead and create a new wallet by tapping on the first option that says Create a New Wallet, or you can log into an existing wallet by tapping on I already have a wallet. On the next page, select Multi-Coin Wallet option at the very top and type in the recovery phrases in the text box. Make sure that your recovery phrases is typed in the correct order. And finally tap on Import right at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you have your information correct, your wallet will be successfully imported, which means you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.